Hi everyone, my name's Aidan Cooper and welcome to my page. I'll be covering remote area nursing for this topic. It's a really amazing and exciting career path to follow. It does require a lot of experience. I think in my page you'll see it says that we need at least 3 years clinical experience before going off into remote area, because the scope of practice of the remote area nurse is so broad, and also often the remote area nurse is the only healthcare professional that may be dealing with a trauma or an injury, and so they have to be able to perform their skills but also get direction either online or via the telephone to an MD that may be hundreds, if not thousands of kilometres away. So obviously that scope of practice, that skill is very high and very broad. So anyway, about the page, we look at skills that are required, obviously, to enter into this field, as well as skills gained. It's really each remote area nurse experience can be unique, and it really depends on whereabouts that the nurse is located. That's going to obviously affect that experience. Yeah, it's such a brilliant and worthwhile career choice to take. Not just because of the wonderful experiences, but also the remunerations that are and the packages that are provided in order to encourage nurses to not only come but also to stay. They're very generous, and that's a really big factor, I think, in remote area nursing is very generous pay. But on the other side of that, it's also a very worthwhile career, because you are often helping people who are at the most vulnerable stages in their life, or vulnerable populations. So there's a lot of rewarding experience from that. I hope you enjoy the page, and I really would encourage all of you to look into this career option. Just because I think it's a really fantastic chance to develop and learn new skills. So thank you very much.